MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing wig video that I have for you. Thank you for coming back, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, as my main mission on my channel is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. So thank you for coming back, and let's keep rolling on my mission. So let's talk about this wig that I'm going to be doing today. So it is a blondie. So the story also is with this, that this is actually one of the first wigs I ever bought. How about that guy? Pretty normal, right? So I actually lost the card for this guy, but I do have the back for it. It is the Isis Brown Sugar. I don't know if you can, that will not, nope, won't focus on there. So it is a golden blonde. I will leave the link below in regards to all the information on this wig with the link of where I got it from. Also with that this wig was $33, and all of my wigs that I have are all under $40. So with that, I like to call wigs shoes for my head because they're fun, and shoes are fun, and so should wigs be, as they are for me. So also, I officially became a Amazon Prime member. So probably the last person in the world to sign up, but I finally took the plunge. With that, I got a 10-pack of wig caps for $5.99, 10 of them. I've never seen wig caps so cheap, so of course I jumped on it. They do have them a variety of colors. You don't have to have nude. You don't even have to wear a wig cap if you don't want to, but I do, because let's be real here, I'm trying to be covering up all of this red hair, and it just helps cover it up wherever I want to put the part on the wig. As some of them part differently, and then I've actually never tried to change the part in a wig, but maybe in the future we will go through that. So again, this is, let's just talk about this wig. I mean, let's just get to it. Why I really like this wig. First of all, this is a human hair blend wig, so it does look pretty natural of a wig, and it just also feels very soft, and it looks actually very real. Also, what I like is it actually has brown roots versus black roots. So this actually is a more natural look for me, if you can imagine. Also, I did pluck the center already with this wig. In fact, something I will tell you, just like eyebrows, ladies, you can overpluck your wig, and I am guilty of doing that, for sure. You know, you just get going, and before you know it, you're like, oh my gosh, I think I've plucked too much. And of course, just like your eyebrows sometimes, it won't go back. So luckily, again, which is why these wigs are inexpensive, that if those first wigs that I first overplucked slightly, oh well, it was like $30 that I overplucked. And really, it's not that bad, it's just, I notice it, and yeah, you do too, I bet. So let's just get into the construction of this wig. So it actually has 3 clips on the top here, and then it also has 1 clip on the bottom. Now, you don't have to use these clips. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just depends on how you want this fastened to your head a little bit more. And then also it does have these adjustments in the back here with these clips. So what I will tell you is that I always hear that women, when I used to watch these wig videos, they always wanted their wigs very tight on their head for probably obvious reasons, just so it just feels like super on your head. But I will say is that I have tightened my wigs a little too tight, and I actually will get a headache, and it will happen like an hour later. I'll be like, why do I have a headache? It's very weird. And then I realize my wig is too tight. Who knew? So it's a real thing, people. So and I of course already did cut the lace off of the front very easily, which I went into my last actually, I'll leave the link up here somewhere for the video that I went through the whole process of cutting and plucking and whatnot. So let's just put this guy on. So here's the wig cap. And we're gonna go into a Vegas showgirl mode right now, aren't we? That's what I like to call it. Whenever I put this on, you got your giant eyelashes and everything's going on, and you have absolutely no hair. Okay, so I forgot what part this is on, but let's just see here. Okay, oh, I think it goes this way. Yep, so this is actually the same side. Wait, no, I don't, I actually have no idea. Isn't this adorable? I mean, this is very cute. So I just put it on. This, of course, does have minimal shedding, you know, just like you're gonna have. Honestly, I haven't really had a wig that was just like shedding like crazy. I know they're out there, but all the wigs I've had just shed like a normal, you know, like regular hair. So I'm sure it's a real thing. Maybe I just don't know. It's very possible. I just haven't experienced a wig that has it, but check this puppy out. Isn't this cute? It's so sassy. Kind of has like a vintage little flair to it, which is totally my jam, is vintage, retro, and it's just beautiful bob. Let me just turn around here so you can just take a peek at what's going on. What do you guys think about this? I think it's a real winner. Gosh, why haven't I worn this? I'm gonna have to wear this. So of course I haven't clipped it. I haven't clipped it in or anything, but let's just, so what you do is, well, I believe, is that you just take these clips here and you actually just clip it underneath the wig cap, like onto your real hair, because it actually is like a hair clip. Oops, there goes one of my nails. Wow, okay. You know, beauty comes at a cost, of course, as we can see. A nail just flipped right off, but all worth it for the wig. All worth it. So, hey, here we go, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, I'll leave all the information below. As you know, my main mission is to inspire, to share knowledge, and just to uplift everybody in the world. So my main thing also with wearing wigs is just have fun. Have fun. Who cares about what people have to think? If they're gonna judge you, they're really judging themselves. So don't worry about it. Wear the wig, have fun. You only live once, and have fun. So thanks for coming by. Feel free to send me messages on any platform of mine. I'd love to hear from you, and maybe your wig story, or maybe show me a wig that you bought that you love, or maybe a wig that you bought that you didn't like. So it all happens. So thank you so much all for coming back to watching a lovely video of mine, and thank you so much. Take care. Bye.